Well, today we're gonna be working on the old. Is this an '86? 86 4-eyed Mustang today. Probably seen in the background when I've been working on that car. But today we're setting up for a Stifflers subframe connector kit here. Getting it all set up down there. Got Dave and Seth in the house, right? Yep. Gonna get these subframe connectors knocked out real quick, and then should be good. Then we gotta do exhaust and stuff. But yeah, it's coming together. This was original 4-cylinder car with a 7.5. It's now got an 8.8, and obviously a 5.0. Kept this one Ford because, you know, the owner likes Ford for some reason, I guess. But yeah, so it's got the 5.0, 302. We put the F303 cam in it, springs and rockers. Oh, we actually did AFR heads on this thing too. 185 coming live. We did a T5 swap. It was an auto 4-cylinder car. Yeah, this thing's pretty solid car. I mean, it's not clean, but it's solid for what we're used to in Ohio, you know? I mean, it's got great patina. It's actually more solid than this freaking thing that's got makeup on a pig, you know? But yeah, we're gonna get these burned in real quick, and maybe we'll fire it up for you guys.
Hell yeah.
Maybe. What, Moosey? Get in your chair. Get in your chair. Yeah, let me fall. Fall. Let me fall. Yeah, good little boy. Yeah, good little boy. How's she burning, bud?
Not bad.
Not bad?
Not bad.
Hell yeah. Flip that whip around. You got it in a, there you go. Ah, same difference.
Right.
I'll tell you what, good old Harbor Freight welder. Alright, gonna pull her off the blocks now. We got her all finished up. Look at that. Beautiful job. Beautiful job. Pull these bricks out. Coming down, grease lightning. Hopefully we can come down with all them blocks in there. Not looking like it, huh? Oh, not quite, eh? We got a pickup on the front end. Oh, there it is. Perfect.
Little persuasion. That's
Little
all.
persuasion goes a long way. Look at that. Now shall we see if the door still opens good?
Hopefully.
Oh, yes. If you out there that just be ripping on the bottom of the handle, okay, the Fox bodies, right? Grab it like this. That easy, okay? Can't be ripping the passenger door off, you know? Don't be, just nice. Look, easy. Alright. Let's go hook up the beat bop machine and see what she says.